Ever wondered how businesses run smoothly? What's the secret recipe behind the seamless functioning of a successful company? It's all down to the fundamental functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Let's kick things off with planning, the cornerstone of management. Picture this: you're setting off on a journey, but you have no map, no compass, no destination in mind. Sounds chaotic, right? That's what a business without planning looks like. Planning is about setting goals, establishing strategies to achieve these goals, and developing a comprehensive set of plans to integrate and coordinate organizational activities. It's about knowing where you're heading and charting the best course to get there. Coming up next, we delve into the art of organizing. Drawing a parallel between planning and organizing. If planning serves as the blueprint, organizing emerges as the building process. This entails arranging and tailoring work to realize the objectives of an organization. Imagine it as the careful assembly of a jigsaw, where each piece, no matter how distinct, contributes to a coherent whole. Taking a global perspective, let's look at how businesses in various nations approach this process. In Japan, for instance, the ringi system is used for decision-making, a sense of collective responsibility. Meanwhile, American firms often adopt a more direct, top-down approach to assigning tasks and setting roles. This process not only includes the assignment of tasks, but also clusters such tasks into departments, designs a hierarchy, and ensures seamless communication across departments. So, organizing, as we can see, is the global business language spoken in different dialects, each contributing to the success and growth of an organization. Moving on to staffing, the heartbeat of any organization. It's all about ensuring that the organization has the right people with the right skills in the right place at the right time. For instance, Tata Group, an Indian multinational conglomerate, known for its focus on training and development, which helps in nurturing talent. Meanwhile, Toyota, a Japanese automaker, emphasizes efficient performance evaluations and compensation strategy. Staffing encompasses everything from recruitment, selection, training, and development to performance appraisals and compensation. It's about nurturing talent and ensuring that the organization is equipped with a competent and motivated team. Directing, a vital slice of the management puzzle, varies in style across different parts of the globe. This process is all about influencing and guiding employees to perform tasks proficiently and efficiently. It transmits beyond just giving orders. In Japan, for instance, directing is often more consensus-oriented, with decision-making being a group process. In contrast, German organizations often value a more hierarchical style of directing, where orders are given from the top down. American companies might favor a more approach, encouraging participation and individual initiative. Directing is about inspiring and motivating, creating a climate where employees feel appreciated and are propelled to deliver their utmost. This diversity in directing styles across the world serves to enrich the global organizational landscape, expanding the possibilities for effective and efficient task execution. Finally, we arrive at controlling, the culmination of the management process. Controlling entails constant monitoring, comparing, and rectifying work performance. It's about ensuring that the organization is along the right path and plans are being executed as originally intended. However, the approach to controlling can vary greatly among businesses of different nationalities. For instance, in some cultures, there is a strong emphasis on detailed and regular reporting, while others may focus on the end goals rather than the process. Some businesses might encourage an environment of open feedback, while in others, communication remains strictly hierarchical. Despite these variations, the universal aim remains unchanged. If the original plans are not being met, the key is identifying the issues and promptly taking corrective action. In summary, the functions of management operate like the gears in a well-oiled machine, each playing a pivotal role in ensuring the seamless functioning of any organization, irrespective of its nationality. Planning, which sets the course; organizing, that builds the structure for the journey; staffing, that ensures the right crew on board; directing, which navigates the ship; and controlling, that keeps a vigilant eye on the journey, making necessary adjustments. Each function is interdependent, equally essential, and universally applicable across all businesses globally. They form the backbone of any successful organization, ensuring not just survival but growth and prosperity in the cutthroat world of business. So the next time you marvel at the smooth operation of a successful international business, remember that behind the scenes, it's all about comprehensive planning, efficient organizing, strategic staffing, effective directing, and vigilant controlling. And that fundamentally is the magic of management, transcending all borders.